Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If you have been following my previous video, you know that I'm doing a course on UPSC. Sorry, not UPSC. This is PG Munger University question paper in this video. So watch, and in this video I will discuss question paper semester 2 question paper 5. So now first question you see, which of the following OPS concepts are supported in C++? This is the OPS is full form is object oriented programming language. This is the computer parts. So we have various cores. C++ is all cores. C++, Python, Java. This is the programming language of the computers. You know, read this syllabus. You know about this is the course of computer related. So next, first question is here. So in this question answer will here see there are four options. So both options are correct. Inheritance, encapsulations, abstraction, polymorphism. When the learn of this programming language, the dictionary, string, loops, so many various topics in this, but I will verify only. So next question you see, don't I speak over. So question number B is here. How many minimum number of C functions should be present in C++ program for its executions? So correct option in this section will see this four option. So one is correct option. Then next question you see, what can do we doing using Python? So who is a beginner for a programming language? Who start the Python is a very simple. So I start Python, and first which can by doing using Python. So all of the above: scientific programming, computer based programming, system programming. Next question you see, the question number D is here. How is a code block indicated in the Pythons? So Python code, so correct option is indentations. So next question you see E number. Which of the following types of loops are not supported in Python? This is Python is a programming language. So first option you see, do while. Do while is not supported. While for this is supported. Next question you see, the order and degree of the differential equation. So he asks order and degree. So you see this and this. So answer this, order and degree. So give you 5 seconds. So see this. This is 2. So 2 is here and 4 is here. So 2 4 is correct. And the next question is here, if A and B are the matrix of same order. So correct option, or no, here still remains, such that AB equals to A and B A equals to B, then A and B are so involuntary matrix, independent matrix, orthogonal matrix, nilpotent matrix. Next question see, the order of a convergence in a Newton-Raphson method is. So correct option in these sections. I will wait 5 seconds. So correct option is 2. Next, Monte Carlo simulations gets its name for which of the following terms? So read this: analysis, model formulations, random number assignment, is correct. Data collection is not correct. Question number J is here. Which of the following statistical methods are used to analyze simulation result? So t-test, analysis of the variance, regression analysis, all of the above. So choose the correct option. When you read this syllabus, you know all of the above are correct. Regression analysis, analysis of variance, and t-test. So group B is here. Answer any 4 question. You know, I know, all people are know. Define encapsulations, polymorphism, and inheritance in C++ context. Question number 3. Explain the different string format available in Python. Discuss the equation of parabolic system of the partial differential equation. What are the 5 steps in the Monte Carlo simulation? Define leapfrog algorithm method. So group C. Give a brief account of string numpy and function in a Python programming. Write a program in C++. Perform. And next following. Fahrenheit to Kelvin, Celsius to Kelvin. Derive the expression for Riemann Kyoto and method for solving first order differential equation. Find the eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the following matrix. You see this 1 0 0 2 -4 0 3 3 7. And next question you see, write the metropolis algorithm and their applications. So I hope on this video, I hope you like this video, and I hope this video help for your coming soon examination. And on this I would like wish all students very good luck for with the MSc preparation. Thank you very much. Thank you.